How to transfer USDT from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now, if you want to convert or transfer your balance from Binance, it's extremely simple. You have to make sure that you go ahead and have the Phantom Wallet installed to your browser or to your mobile devices. From there, just go ahead and open up your Binance account. Go ahead and click on the wallet icon, and from here you want to click on overview. It will then take you to the overview of your account, and from here you will then go ahead and see USDT, which is the Tether US. Now, to transfer this to your Phantom Wallet, just go ahead and click on it. Click on the spot wallet, and right after, it will then go ahead and take us to the spot wallet right here. You can also go ahead and navigate through this menu by clicking on the spot category, and basically once inside, just go ahead and click on withdraw. Go ahead and search for the USDT token, and from here you can then go ahead and enter the address. Now, to find your Phantom Wallet address, just go ahead and open up the Phantom Wallet, and from here just go ahead and click on copy. Right after that, go ahead and paste your address right here, click on the correct network, and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.